What's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Happy Friday. Welcome to the TT live stream. What a week it was. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at TTG. For those that don't know, True Trading Group is the fastest growing, highest rated premium online educational platform that is available to traders today. And at TTG, results matter. It's not just empty words and broken promises here. Results matter at True Trading Group. We've got one simple goal. That's to help you guys to learn, trade, and profit. If you are new, make sure you like and share this video, but more importantly, make sure you're subscribed to the channel because 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live totally for free right here where myself, other pro traders from True Trading Group, and special guests drop golden nuggets to provide you guys with free lessons that are going to help you become better traders. But why should you guys listen to any of this stuff that I share on my live streams? All the information that I provide for you guys free on here. How do you know you should listen to it? I didn't figure all this stuff out on my own. Okay. My first job out of college was actually working for a fund in New York City, and that's where I learned everything. Okay. That's where I learned everything about how to trade. Then you had the financial crisis, the stock market crash of 2008. And I actually went on to receive one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards during that time. But aside from that, perhaps even more importantly, since about 2016, my team and I have helped thousands of retail traders from all walks of life, from all over the world, achieve peace of mind from financial freedom by teaching them how to trade stocks, options, and crypto. At True Trading Group, guys, we teach you how to fish. We teach you how to become a self-sufficient trader, how to stand on your own 2 feet. Despite what many of you may have heard online, trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's also not gambling. Trading is a skill. That skill needs to be learned properly like any other skill, especially since this skill could potentially change your life and help you guys reach financial goals that you never thought were possible. Tonight's live stream is going down as follows. We're going to start things off with a 15, 20-minute Q&A, allow for some time for people to log on. I know it's Friday. We won't keep you too long. You guys want to get your weekend started, but we got to recap a huge week. I've got a new swing trade on. We'll talk about what we think about the markets moving forward. And then we're also going to be talking about, we're going to hit the EV sector, Tesla, Rivian. We're going to talk about all the highlights. And then, but more importantly though, guys, big week. Big week. We had singles and doubles this week, but we had a couple of really big home runs mixed into the middle. And we're going to talk all about it and recap it all on this live stream. Then when we're finished, I'll share with you guys, for those that are interested, I'll show you the TTG platform itself, right? The platform. And then, again, I say platform because TTG is a lot more than just a chat room and trade alerts. Okay. Our goal is to level the playing field for the retail investor. And by doing that, we implement the same professional education that I learned when I worked at the fund. That's on our platform, as well as we've put on there professional premium trading tools and resources that professional traders use on a regular basis. So I'll show you that platform later on in the live stream for those that are interested. Okay, get it, got it? Good. Let's go ahead and start that Q&A. Guys, listen up. Don't be shy. Don't be embarrassed. Type your questions in chat right now. There is no such thing as a stupid question. You got a trader with about 17 years of experience telling you to literally, hey, I'm here, ask me anything, take advantage of it. Start typing your questions in chat right now, guys, and let's begin that Q&A. All right, folks, what do we got? Who's going to kick it off? No joke, I went all in day 2. Yes, that's incredible. That's incredible. Just 2 days of a member and already spikes determining that they want to become a lifetime member with True Trading Group. You know what? I got to tell you this. I'll say one thing about this aside from you're stuck with me for life now, but I'll say one thing regarding this. Once you guys have experienced what else is out there, other groups, other services, other training programs. Once you go through what else is there, and then you guys join True Trading Group, you instantly see the difference. There's a lot of members in True Trading Group that have been a part of other services that are out there. And as soon as they have joined, we actually have seen traditionally, and this is a very common theme, is that people that join lifetime membership very quickly are people that have been a part of other groups and services in the past. Because they've tried the rest. Now they've experienced what it's like to be a member of the TTG platform, and they instantly know this is the place that I want to be. I don't want to be anywhere else. And that's a testament to the education that we provide, the community and support that we've created amongst not just the TeachD team, but the members themselves and the family environment that we've created, but also the tools and the resources that we implement on the TeachD platform that is included with your membership. It is far and above and beyond anything else that they've ever experienced before. So congratulations. Welcome to the TeachD family for life. I love it. Let me make this a little bit bigger so I can read. Serious question. I love it. Let's get serious. My boy, Jimmy, what's up, man? I'm military overseas, as you know. Yes, we have to keep our will up to date for obvious reasons. Are we allowed to pass on our lifetime membership? Jimmy, yes, you absolutely are. Okay. First and foremost, Jimmy, thank you for your service. My man, the sacrifice that you, your whole military team over there, your family at home, the sacrifice that you guys make for us and every single person on this live stream. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Jimmy is actually a not only just with military, but no pun intended on this, but he's a TTG veteran, has been with us for quite a while. And he is literally on the other side of the world. I won't disclose where he is, but literally on the other side of the world. So with your lifetime membership, yes, when you guys become a lifetime member to True Trading Group, it is transferable to your loved ones, your spouse, your children. You want to leave it to somebody. You just have to make those arrangements with whoever controls your estate or your will or your estate planning or your attorney. You guys just have to take care of that. But then if, God forbid, something was to ever happen to you, we will honor that lifetime membership to whoever you leave it to. Okay, so if it's a spouse or a family member, we absolutely will do that. How do you deal with emotions? Kang, that's the $1 trillion question, right? That's the $1 trillion question. Oh, there they are. There's all our emotions. There they are. Right there they are. Listen, the best way for you to deal with emotions is, and this is what I teach our members in TTG, everything, and I mean literally everything that I do in my trading and everything that I teach members in their trading is designed to keep emotions in check. You are never going to reach your full potential as a trader until you learn to control your emotions. That is what separates the great traders from the average traders. It is the ability to keep emotions out of the decision-making process. That's when you're going to achieve full potential. Now, one of the ways to help you do that is having a game plan before you enter a trade. And by that, I literally mean, okay, if I buy the stock now, this is my stop loss. These are my take profit targets. And then just building the discipline to actually, no matter what happens, stick to that game plan. If you buy a stock at $10 and you say, I'm going to stop out at $9.40, I'm going to take profit at $10.75, $11.50, and $12.25. If that is your game plan, then you need to stick to that game plan no matter what. I don't care how big of a green candle, how big of a red candle gets put in. I don't care how fast we go up, how fast we go down. You don't do a single solitary thing until the stock either gets to 940 and stops you out or moves up to your profit targets and you take profits. And everything else in between those levels is noise designed specifically to help trigger your emotions of greed, fear, worry, doubt, confusion. Everything in between is irrelevant. Having a game plan is crucial. If you do not have a game plan, that is when you're going to really struggle once you're already in the trade, because all you have is your emotions to make decisions on. When the stock goes up, greed, we're going to hold. We're not going to take profit. The stock goes down, fear, I'm scared. I don't want to lose any money. Let's get out, because you have nothing else to determine your decision-making process on other than those emotions that are now coming forefront. That's one way. Second way is to stop making trading about the money. Stop looking at trading as making money, losing money, and start looking at trading as executing on a good trade game plan or not. There's a lot of people that I guarantee you would probably, if trading was just a video game and there was no money aspect tied to it, a lot more people would probably be better at it. Money is an emotional topic, right? Money is an emotional topic. Okay. And this is why I recommend that people trade on our simulator first. We have a simulator with True Trading Group. Okay. We have a simulator on our platform with your trading group that actually lets you trade stocks and options with fake money so you guys can practice. Okay, get an experience and see what it's like and try to remove the money aspect from the equation and see how much better of a trader that you are. It's not a coincidence that a lot of people, are, they have better results when they're trading on a simulator than they do with the real money. And that's why. The reason why is because emotions. I was a member of other service, $4,000 per year, and additional charge to learn options. Whoa, baby, this is beyond a bargain price. Yes, yes. Valerie's also a recent, a new member. Valerie's also a recent member, but that's what I mean. Like a lot of people the people that have been part of other services and other groups in the past, once they join True Trading Group, they realize that it's almost too good to be true. I actually had a one-on-one with a member just a couple days ago. So for those who don't know, I do one-on-one like mentor sessions with our lifetime members. And all of our moderators do. There's 8 other professional traders in TTG. It's not just me. And the lifetime members get to choose, okay, what moderator they want to do these one-on-one mentor sessions with. They get a handful of them a year. And I was doing one with a member just a couple of days ago. And they actually told me, this is a true story. They actually said to me, they go, Mike, I actually did not join True Trading Group at first, even though I watched all your live streams. I didn't join because I just felt it was too good to be true. They're like, there's got to be a catch. They're too cheap. The price of their membership is too cheap. It doesn't make sense. And what did they do? They ended up joining another program first. They got upsold on 2 different packages. So they signed up, then they got upsold on another package, and then upsold on another package. They paid $7,500 within 1 year at this one service, learned nothing, completely failed, lost money, joined another service, paid $3,500 or $3,600 for the year, learned nothing, lost a bunch of more money, and then realized they actually learned more watching my live streams than they did paying over $10,000 for these other 2 services. And they said, you know what, the hell with this, I'm joining. They joined, paid just over $1,200 for their membership with TTG, and now everything has changed. Now they're actually starting to become consistently profitable. And he literally told me that I did not join at first because I just thought it can't be good because it's so much cheaper than these other services. And now their only regret is not joining sooner. I think it's probably a common theme with our TTG members that their only regret is not joining sooner. It shouldn't cost you $10,000 to get an education. It shouldn't. It really shouldn't. And our goal at True Trading Group is to make sure that we level the playing field, provide you, the retail trader and investor, with the same education and the same tools and resources that the professional traders use, so we can level that playing field and make sure that it's at a price that is well within reach for most retail traders and investors. And that's our goal at TTG. I'm thinking about joining, but how many members work full-time as a patient service representatives? I work at a medical office and I'm not sure if this will work for me. Okay, Jonathan Ramirez, excellent question. Excellent question. The overwhelming majority of our members work a full-time job. And don't take my word for it. Let's actually ask some members that are on the live stream. Guys, do me a favor. If you're a member of True Trading Group and you work a full-time job and you're making money with us, type the letter I and tell me what you do for a living. Again, let me be clear. If you are a member and work a full-time job and are making money with us, type the letter I and tell me what you do for a living. Now, Jonathan Ramirez, pay attention to how many people comment on this side of the screen. You're about to see a bunch of members from True Trading Group that are going to tell you what they do for a living, and they're also making money. Okay, Anna Kay is a teacher. Bruce, film business. Lewis Winthrop is in insurance. Mr. Gabe is an accountant. Chris, school janitor, industrial engineer, sales, police sergeant detective, accounting, mortgages, real estate broker, fleet manager at a dealership. Yo, Wizard, what's up, man? How are you? A car hauler, engineer, full-time, network administrator, office manager, manufacturing engineer, manager, sales, well, construction, postal service, IT, freelance graphic design and live event marketing, property management, attorney, sushi chef, in the medical field. There you go. Ralph Risco is in the medical field also. Okay. Refrigeration service. You guys see it. Here, I'm a CNA, nursing assistant, Melissa Nunez. Okay. There's another one, the medical field. Okay. So there you have it. Okay. You're seeing firsthand all of the different TeachD members and what they do for a living. The TeachD family comes from all walks of life. We have members from literally all over the world. We have money from all over the world. We have members in literally Japan, Philippines, Russia, India, the Netherlands, Italy, Spain, the UK, Brazil, Mexico, Canada. We have literally members from all over the world, guys, and from all walks of life, as you've now seen. I hope that helps answer your question. What do you think about cryptocurrency moving forward? I think Bitcoin's going to 100K. I like Ethereum the most, but I also think that Bitcoin's going to 100K. I think all the other, crap coins, I think all the other crap coins are they're a gamble. They're just for fun, like all of your Shibu, your Doge, like all those other coins. I just think those are to trade, those are to have fun with, but long-term viability, Ethereum is my favorite, and I think Bitcoin goes to 100K. Is the simulator and scanners only available for us for the first 90 days? No, Corey Pearson, I can tell the service that you have been a member to. Because there's another service, very popular service out there that only gives their members access to certain features for 90 days, and then they charge you for it. Every single feature on True Trading Group is available for the entire length of your membership. All of our scanners, all of our, the trade simulator, our social sentiment scanner, our analyst ratings, the stock profiles, level 2, our charting software, our trading performance journal, our news feed, all of it you have access to for your entire length of your membership at no additional cost whatsoever. All of those features are included with your annual membership. There's no upsell for them. There's no additional fee for them. You get access to them as long as you're a member. That's on your platform. It's on your member dashboard. That's what I mean. Like, we're trying to...
Corey's actually a member, but I just wanted to say that I love granola and I appreciate the layup. Mike, why are you frowning? What is the problem right now?
I hate when you do this.
What am I doing? What? I can never please you, Father.
Listen, you guys know I don't talk about other people. I don't talk about names. That's just my style. You guys know that. Yeah, you have access to everything full time with your membership, the True Trading Group. As morbid as it sounds, what happens to the membership if you were to pass away or if TTD closes doors? Sorry to be a Debbie Downer. If something, if it's an annual membership and something happens to you and God forbid you pass away, I'm sorry. If I was to pass away, sorry. I thought you were asking me about you. I totally read that. Adam literally just sent me a message and was like, he means you, dumbass. I'm sorry. What happens if something?
What's wrong with you? It even says you in the question. As morbid as it sounds, what happens to the membership if you were to pass away, if TTG were to close its doors?
Okay. Guys, if something was to happen to me, God forbid, right? That would suck. Okay, for me. Okay. Also you, I get it. But True Trading Group is not just me. And this is one of the things that I really want to make sure you all understand. TTG is not just me. And this is why there's 8 other professional traders. I'm just the one you see here on the YouTube channel. Adam and I, we are the owners and co-founders of True Trading Group. Yes, I'm the head trader. I'm the one you see here, but there's also 8 other professional traders that are part of the TTG professional trader moderating team that all has their own trading styles. They all do one-on-one sessions. They do live workshops. We're all calling out trades. We're all on the microphone giving audio commentary about the day and about our trades and what we're doing and what we're seeing and what we're thinking. They're also answering questions throughout the day. You can DM all of us. It's not just me. Okay, that's first and foremost. So if something happened to me, God forbid, okay, TTG would still live on and flourish and continue to educate and empower the retail trader and investor with or without me. That's first and foremost, because we have a phenomenal team of professional traders that would still be there to continue on with the TTG family. Okay. Secondly, this is why I put such, and not just me, the entire TTG team put such an emphasis on education. And this is why I told you before that our goal is to educate you and help you stand on your own 2 feet and to help you become a self-sufficient trader. I don't want you to only make money when I make money. Okay. I don't want you to have to rely on me in order for you to be profitable. I want you to, yes, you want to follow my trades? Great, cool. You can do that, obviously, right? I call out all my trades in real time in advance of making them. You guys get the notifications with all of our trades during the day. But I want you to be able and have the ability to identify opportunities on your own in the market and then have the confidence to actually act on them. That's our goal at True Trading Group. I want you to become self-sufficient. If you only can make money relying on me, then you're not an entrepreneur. And becoming a trader, you are the ultimate entrepreneur. But if you only make money when I make money, then you're not an entrepreneur. You have a job and you work for me. And then if something happens to me, it would be the same as you getting fired. But when you truly learn this skill, and this is why we place such an emphasis on education, you don't hear me just say, hey, join True Trading Group and just follow what I do. Don't ask questions. Just buy when I say buy. Don't ask questions. That's not what you hear me say up here, right? That's not what you hear me say. You hear me talk about education. You hear me talk about learning what I learned when I worked at the hedge fund. This is what gave me the skill set that I now implement in my trading and in my life today. All right, that's what you hear me talk about. You hear me talk about it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Okay, so these are all the things that you guys have to think about and you have to consider. All right, so it's not just about me. And this is why I want you guys to stand on your own 2 feet and we teach you how to become self-sufficient. Next question. That's my goal, learn not to follow. That's our goal too. That's our goal. That's our goal. Our goal is for you to be able to, have the education to identify setups on your own, but then also have the confidence to take and execute and capitalize on that opportunity when you see it. I told you guys before, our goal with True Trading, while we wait for the next question to come up, but our goal, literally, I want to be the reason why, I want us, our team, to be the reason why the term dumb money is no longer used. For those people that don't know, in the hedge fund world and in the professional world, institutions and hedge funds and, asset managers and portfolio managers, mutual funds, all those other things are considered smart money. They're considered smart money. Retail is considered dumb money. I want to be the reason why they don't say that anymore. All it takes is enough people to get educated, enough retail traders to learn the same stuff that the pros on Wall Street learn. That's what I'm here to do. Give you guys the same education that I learned that I worked at the fund. Sparrow, what's up, man? Mike, can you walk us through your morning news routine, please? You always know everything going on with tickers. Sure, man, sure. So my morning news routine, okay, when I sit down at my desk, I've got CNBC on. That's first and foremost. I always have CNBC on. It's my favorite channel to listen to. I think they give you the best and most factual information about everything going on in the markets, and they're fantastic with their commentary and their news reporting. Shout out to Tim Seymour and Steve Leisman, two members of the CNBC contributing team that have been guests on this live stream. I really enjoyed those sessions. We'll have to maybe see if we can get them back on and do a follow up. Maybe have Tim Seymour on to talk about some cannabis stocks, and we have Steve Leisman on to talk about some inflation. Yeah, that'd be a lot of fun. Maybe we'll reach out to them. Maybe we can see if we can do something in the next couple of weeks. But I will also then go through our newsfeed. Okay, our newsfeed that we have on the TG platform. We have Benzinga Pro's live newsfeed. It'll give you, breaking news as soon as it crosses the wire. It's, industry leading news service. And that's something that I will scour through in the pre-market session to see, what companies have news. And that's where I get the majority of all of my news from. It's that Benzinga news feed. I've also got an MT Newswire on TC2000, but for the most part, it's the Benzinga news feed and it's CNBC. And that's really where I get the bulk of my news from. No, it's not a Metaverse hat. No, my hat does not say Metaverse on it. You'll never see me wear something that says Metaverse. I used to watch CNBC about 100 years ago. Well, a lot has changed in 100 years.
It's true. I put them in my time machine, and we did it. We went back in time and 88 miles an hour.
Yeah, I'm not sure what news you were watching 100 years ago, but that's pretty impressive if you were. A lot's changed since then. I'm not sure what the point of that comment is. I don't know if that's.
I just thought it was funny.
Yeah, I don't know if that's like a knock. You're trying to put a knock on CNBC.
It is. And they think a McLaren is $1 million car. That was the next comment that they put in there.
Oh, same person?
Yeah. They're 12.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're blocked now. It's just funny.
CNBC is a great network. It's a great network.
Also, the bearded assassin, aka Jonathan.
He had a record day today.
Did he really?
Or this week? I think he had a record week. He said it in chat today. I'm pretty sure that it was him. I'm pretty sure he commented in chat, had a record week or something. But I'm sorry. Go ahead.
No, that's great. Oh, there he is. All right, cool. No, that's it.
Oh, were you going to say something about him? I don't understand. What? Okay. All right, guys, fire away. Let's take a couple more questions. From your experience, do you find this market bizarre? With tapering, high inflation, market is still at all-time highs. Many stocks are severely overvalued while many are undervalued. I don't find the market bizarre. A lot of people thought yes, it was Bearded Assassin. See, it was the Bearded Assassin. I knew it. Adam, do you see the comment from Bearded Assassin? Record week this week, $12,000 week. Great job, man. Really, really, really great job. Congrats. Really great job. Anyway. Listen, I mean, the markets there's been a lot of periods throughout my trading career, at least, where the markets have been wacky, really wacky. And I will say that the one thing that I have noticed the most that I find bizarre within the market is between 2020 and 2021, a lot of market correlations that have held true for decades have broken. Some things that used to trade inverse or used to trade in tandem have broken. You used to There used to be certain correlations between oil and the markets. There used to be certain correlation between gold and the US dollar. There used to be certain correlations like between, certain treasuries and technology stocks. And now all of a sudden you throw in this completely new sector of crypto that is taking some buying power from the markets. Like, I think a big reason why gold has actually kind of underperformed while everyone's been talking about inflation. You would normally, back in the day, before crypto was a thing, you would expect with all this kind of inflation, you'd expect gold over $2,000 an ounce by now. But you have a lot of people that are going towards Bitcoin as an inflationary hedge, which is something that never used to be a thing. Bitcoin never used to be a thing when you go back 10 years ago. It wasn't something that would take institutional money out of gold and put it into somewhere else. And people are looking for alpha in other places, and they're looking for inflationary hedges in other places that give you more alpha. And that's where people are going towards. Okay. People are going towards crypto. With that being said, I think that gold is a buy right now. I'll actually share with you guys real quick, just a chart setup that I'm seeing on gold. Okay, and this is a weekly chart on the GLD, which is the Gold Trust ETF. You'll see a gigantic cup and handle, right? A gigantic cup and handle. Here's your up move, there's your gigantic cup, and then there's your handle. And in my opinion, this week appears to me that we have broken out of that handle. Okay, it appears to me that we have broken out of that handle. So I will tell you guys all this now. I am looking for a pullback towards 172, 172.50 to be a buyer of the GLD. And this is going to be a long-term swing trade. I'll be holding this for at least probably 6 months to a year. Okay, I'll be holding it for probably 6 months to a year. And I'm going to be looking for gold to get over, or GLD to get over 200 and break out and have, this extension move if inflation does continue next year. And it's not transitory. I'm going to look for this for a potential buy play. And then you can have a stop loss under 160. So that's the GLD. And if you don't want the GLD, if you want something that's going to, you could take a look at some of the gold miners, all right, like something like a Newmont Mining, ticker symbol NEM. You can look at Barrick Gold. Okay, ticker symbol GOLD. These are some of your gold mining companies if you want to look for individual stocks, but I'm just going to go after actual, I'm going to look towards actual gold. GLD is not actual gold, all right, just an ETF on it, but you can look at gold futures if you guys want. But the GLD, you can either trade it, you can buy it, you can hold it, you can look for call options. I'd look for like 2023 $200 strike calls, or 2024 $200 strike, or $180 strike calls is something I'm going to be looking for. And it's going to be a long-term hold for me, because this is a setup that I've been having my eyes on for months. For months, I've had my eyes on this setup, and it looks like this week we finally broke above that handle on the weekly chart for GLD. So you guys could, little trade idea from a long-term perspective for those that are interested. All right. Justin says, I made $8K between SPY puts, Moderna puts, Tesla puts, QS, and those were the trades handed to me on a silver platter by mods. Yeah. I'll take credit for 3 of the 4 there. the SPY, the Moderna, and the Tesla. Those are my trades. QS is Jessica. Jessica, one of our TTG moderators, actually started out as a TTG member. And then Jessica has worked her way up by working her butt off to now become a full TTG moderator. And she absolutely crushed QS yesterday. I'll just pull up a chart of QS. And this is what I mean by TTG is not just me. There's a lot of other moderators in TTG. And Jessica, folks, literally yesterday caught this entire move. She caught that entire move yesterday. Jessica stepped in and was a buyer of QS right there. All right, right there is where Jessica bought QS, took profit all along the way in here, and then final take profit right before the close. Was just a sick trade. Sick trade. So Justin, congratulations, man, on capitalizing on SPY puts, Moderna puts, Tesla puts, QS. Beautiful. Great job. And the SPY puts were right here. This was my trade from was it Wednesday? Wednesday, yeah. Those are my. It's a 71% gain on those SPY puts. The Moderna puts were like 400% or 300%. I forgot. But was a big week. Was a big week for us. Was a really big week. All right. So there we have it, folks. What I'd actually like to see real quick, guys, I'd actually like to see who we have here right now that is not a member of True Trading Group. I'd actually like to see who is not a member of TTG, or if you guys are maybe brand new to the stream, do me a favor, guys, type the number 1 in chat right now. If you are brand new to the live stream or you're not a member, just type the number 1. I'd like to see how many new faces we have joining us. I know my TG fam is out in full effect, and my TG fam is representing strong and hard right now. But I want to see who here is brand new. Let's see. We got Maria Chin, Louise, Nikki Love, Gabriel Batista. Yo, my boy Tony D, what's up? Gilbert Rubio, how are you? Ty Matting, Elvis Predley, Brotastic Wolf, Charlie's Bowl, Chris Harmon, Burjali is on the trial member for Burjali. They're looking to become full-time member. We look forward to it. She Blue, Terrence, Kenya Victory, Jonathan Ramirez. I hope that question you answered before. I hope that response helped you out. JR Daniel, Jack Hink. Raiders fan is on the trial membership. My Giants took you guys down the other week. I'm sorry about that. I actually am sorry about that because.
Is that a better picture?
That's me.
Is that a better picture?
Of me? That is a better picture.
That's a baby picture. That's baby Michael Edward Perinati, the guy.
There he is. Look at that. Look at that handsome devil.
Little baby Edward.
Look at that hair.
Baby Michael.
I lost all of our new members too here that are joining us. Adrian, Dre Fernandez, D, Mafokane. I can't read that. It's in Russian. Like, actually, I can't read it. Tardis West, Top Trader. What's up, everybody? Welcome. All of you, type of number 1. Welcome, all of you. All right, you guys have no idea how fortunate you are to be right here, right now, but stick around. Soon you're going to understand. Actual Trading Group results matter. Don't forget that. All right? Results matter at TTG. A result can be defined as an effect, a consequence, or an outcome of something. And I'll give you an example, okay? Oh, we have a comment here I need to read real quick here. What do we got? Prince Gregor, I joined last night and I agree with you. I am convinced this is the tool I need to succeed. Yes. Yes, it certainly is. Professional tools, resources, and education. Do you have to have a lot of money to trade? Do you all have a monthly lifetime membership price? Okay, Nikki Love. We don't have a monthly price. There's 2 different types of memberships in TTG. You have an annual membership, okay, where you just pay annually. And then you have a lifetime membership. Okay, we don't have monthly payment options. The reason why we don't have monthly payment options is because literally 1 month, it's not enough time for you to go through all the courses, pass the quizzes, attend study groups, go through the workshops in the video library, like I said from before, participate in like the after hours training sessions that we do and really get a feel for it if this is right for you. 1 month is simply not enough time. Okay, it's just not. And since you get access to everything once you become a member, you literally have access to the entire platform once you join. All the courses, all the tools, all the resources. So that's why we do not have a monthly membership, which is annual and lifetime. Okay. And the other part of your question, the first part, do you need a lot of money? The answer is no. And very plainly, no. Very common misconception. People think you need tens of thousands of dollars to get started. You don't. You have a couple $100, great. That's enough. You have a couple $100, great. That's enough. Okay. You don't believe me? Just watch this. We'll ask some members real quick. Let me prove a point to you because, I believe about 63 or 64% of our members have less than $25,000 in their account, but I'll do you one even better. My teaching members right now, guys, do me a favor. If you started True Trading Group with less than $1,000 and now you're making money, type the number 1 in chat. Tell me how much you started with, please. Guys, again, if you started with less than $1,000 in your account and now you're making money, sound off in chat. Tell me what you guys started with. Now, Nikki Love, just pay attention to what some of the members are about to say. Stoic Trader started with $500. They're now currently at $9,500. Kathleen Duke started with just $100. Jan started with $800. Tim Johnson, $250. Jacob Davis, $500. Will B Set Spikes, $200. Bruce, $500. Chris Ricciardi, $600. Or Riccardi. Diane Fig started with just $100. I am not able to trade and follow trade ideas due to PDT. Maria, that is not true at all. Okay, Maria, you do not need to be, you can still be under PDT rule and follow along with the trade alerts that are going through inside of True Trading Group. All right. You can, couple different things. First and foremost, there's swing trading. Okay. We swing trade and day trade. Right? There are swing trades being called out in chat every single day. Right? Literally every single day, we're calling out day trades and swing trades. So if you're under PDT rule, you can just follow all of the swing trades. Don't worry about the day trading. Okay. Or you can switch to a cash account. Okay. You guys can switch to a cash account. A cash account will not bound you to the same PDT rules, but you just will not have the margin. You'll only be able to trade with the cash that you have available in your account. Okay, you won't have the margin. Yeah. Okay. We also have workshops that I have conducted specifically about small accounts. All right. We also have. We also have workshops that I've conducted, a handful of these, and they're probably about, maybe 2 hours or so long. Some of these, some are an hour, some are 2 hours, where I've actually conducted these live workshops with members on how to grow a small account. So there are specifically, here's how to trade while working a full-time job. All of these questions that you guys all have, we are fully aware of the concerns that some of you have. And we do these live workshops and training sessions to help you through all of this. And that's why you're seeing so many of our members that commented when, I asked if you work a full-time job and you're making money. You saw how many people commented. And now I'm asking how many of you started with less than $1,000 in your account. Now you're seeing how many people started with less than $1,000. That is what we designed this platform to be, around all of this. Because listen, in True Trading Group, whether you've never traded a stock a day in your life or you've been trading for 25 years, there's something for you in TTG. We literally have people that are part of our group that never traded a stock a day in their life. Let's actually ask them again. My teaching family members, if when you first joined, you knew absolutely nothing and now you're making money, type the number 1 in chat. If you knew, seriously, if you knew nothing when you first joined and now you're making money, type the number 1 in chat. Just pay attention to see how many people type the number 1 in chat. These are people that when they first joined had no clue what they were doing and now they're making money. So the platform is designed for this. Okay, we have beginner and foundation courses. We also have advanced courses. Now, this is not to say that if you're an experienced trader, TTG is not for you, because that's also not accurate. We have professional traders that have been trading for 20, 25, 30 years that are part of the TTG family. We have 2 stockbrokers at Morgan Stanley that have been stockbrokers at Morgan Stanley for over 20 years. We have a former market maker at Deutsche Bank is part of the TTG family. We have a portfolio manager who manages money for 50 high net worth individuals. They are a member of True Trading Group. We have licensed financial professionals that are members of True Trading Group. And then we have people that never traded stock a day in their life, and everything in between. Okay, our training and our curriculum is literally created that way for people of all walks of life, because again, our goal is to educate and empower and level the playing field for the retail investor. Okay, and we're doing just that. All right.
Also, can I is it weird like you're talking to yourself?
Yeah, a little bit.
I want to show something real quick. Somebody
That's
sent me
one of my mother's favorite pictures of me as a kid, by the way.
I know. I had Elaine send it to me. That's how I got it.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's one of my mother's favorite pictures of me.
Yeah, hang on.
Not even a kid, I'm a baby in that picture.
You are a baby in that picture. That was actually senior year of high school for you. All right, 1 second. I want to show something that's actually really cool. We had a member send me this today and said to use it, like to show people.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to put it on social media. I'll put it on here. And I'm just triple checking that I got all of their information out of it. But we have a lot of members in True Trading Group that do exceptionally well with us, right? And then sometimes those people don't want to put it out there as big for a variety of reasons, right? Like, you know, use your imagination. I'm sure you can figure out reasons why you wouldn't want to announce that you're doing really well. This person didn't want to come on the stream, but they wanted me to show this today. So I'm going to show it. I'm just triple checking that there's no personal. Okay, now we're good. All right, ready?
Sure.
This is from this past week, dude.
I don't see anything. Now I do. What?
Yeah. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it was the options trade.
Was it the Moderna trade?
I'm not sure. I'm going to text him back and ask him.
It might have been the Moderna trade. The Moderna trade that we made the other week was like depending on which option they went with. It depends on the option they went with, but
hang on, I can ask him right now.
Yeah, ask. Some people got a 600-700% gain on that option. Some people got a 400% gain. I mean, that's nuts. That's a big week.
And then you'll see where I say hold F word. I meant holy F word, right. But I hit the wrong key.
He said yes. It was the Moderna trade.
He has not seen the message yet.
Oh, okay.
I just sent it to him right now.
Oh yeah, I'm curious to know.
Yep, but I said holy F word, but I said hold by mistake.
Right.
Yes.
That's incredible.
Yeah, pretty amazing, actually.
Well, yeah, I mean, well, listen, this is what I was getting at too before. Like when I was talking to you guys about results matter at your training group, you know, this is a statistical fact. Okay, just over 80% of our members are successful, meaning they're making money and they're becoming a better trader. And this is a statistical fact. We survey our members. We keep very up to date with how our members as a group are doing. And that is the numbers, that just over 80% of them are making money. If you guys don't believe me, I'm just going to keep asking members. Guys, if you're a member of True Trading Group and you're making money and you're becoming a better trader, do me a favor, type the number 1 in chat right now. Type the number 1 in chat if you are making money and you are becoming a better trader. Type the number 1 in chat right now. You want to kick it on the screen or no?
Yeah, I was just calling him because now I'm curious.
Well, I wanted to show people. Now, you guys can all see it in the chat box that we're scrolling through there before. All right. So you guys can see all the number 1s that were coming through in chat. All right.
Yep. Smoke is another one. Oh my God.
Yeah, Smoke is a truck driver. Actually, his account is up 54% this week.
People are sending me screenshots now.
Trent Calendar says I made 3x my account since joining. Tuan Lai says it took me a bit to learn and get rid of some old bad habits, but now I'm improving.
Hang on. This person just said it was cool to post. Hang on a second. I'm just making sure there's no personal information. All right.
Bumper Tanks says the TGD 1 week trial helped me get my head screwed back on straight. I made my membership the day after the trial expired. That's incredible. The Bearded Assassin's up 65% in 1 month. Oh, here's how they actually did it.
No, that's a different member.
Oh, this is somebody else.
Yeah, I told you. Like, they just sent me that.
Roblox trade. The Roblox trade on Tuesday was sick. The Roblox trade on Tuesday was sick. I'm saying we had some big wins here this week, man. We had some big trades. We had the Roblox. We had SPY options. We had SOPA. You know, you had the Tesla. I mean, we had some big trades this week.
Wild.
Yeah. Today was a really strong week. I'm looking to just keep this momentum going. I mean, the opportunity and the momentum that's in the markets right now is amazing because you're not just getting you're getting mid caps and large caps that are moving almost like small caps. Like, you know, when you see Tesla moving, you know, $100 in a single day, you know, you have Moderna moving $40. You got Affirm moving, you know, $30. You got like QS moving $8. I mean, Roblox moving $20. I mean, you know, Rivian moving $15. Like, these are huge moves. You know, AMD and NVIDIA.
My guy, Dave Norby is back, aka the new Vince. And he said, I will do the trial someday to prove to her it's worth it. Dog, it's $3.
It's $3, Dave.
I am a total proponent of being honest with your spouse and checking in with your spouse. But my guy, if you have to check with your spouse to spend $3, that's a bigger issue, my guy. That's all I'm gonna say.
That's tough.
That's tough.
That's tough. But hey, it's all right. To each his own, right? But guys, listen, I'm serious. So you just saw how many people are commenting the number one about, you know, if they're making money. Those are teaching members. They're real members that found us same way you did. That's a live stream. And now they're making money. They're becoming better traders. I hope this is real. Guys, is this real? My TC members, is this real? Yes or no? Is everything I'm saying real? Yes or no? Are the results real? Yes or no? You guys go ahead and comment because I get it. It doesn't mean that much coming from me, right? I get it. It doesn't mean that much coming from me. So just read the comments in chat. Seriously.
I think it's also worth noting that just like you see people that are doing well here and that, you know, we showed you 2 members that had success in their accounts.
Yeah. Let me talk about that actually for a second.
Please.
You bring up a really good point, Adam. And it is very important that we say this. As great as it is that over 80% of our members are successful and we're talking about people that are doing well, it's just as important to talk about and recognize the people that are struggling because not everybody in True Trading Group is killing it. Okay. Over 80% are making money and they're becoming better traders, but that still means just under 20% are struggling. And we leave no trader behind inside of TTG. Okay. We help people identify what type of trader they are, maybe. And that's one of the biggest things that I see that can improve on someone's trading is that they're trying to implement a certain style that does not work for them. And sometimes changing that style can make all of the difference. But aside from that, we do red to green workshops every month inside TTG. All of our members that are still struggling, they submit questions and topics that they're struggling with. And the moderators and I will host a 2-hour-long live workshop covering and hitting on all of those topics and questions that the members are still struggling with. Okay, so again, I'm fully transparent. We're always going to shoot you straight. We do not sugarcoat anything in TTG. So, but Adam, thank you. You're 100% right. Just as much as we want to recognize the success, it is equally as important to recognize the ones that are struggling.
I think we could even take it a step further, just so that people don't. We've never really done this before, but we always ask, hey, if you're making money, if you're becoming a better trader, let's try something here. Are you struggling but feel we are supporting you and feel confident about the future as a trader? Okay? If you're struggling but feel like, hey, we really do support, we are supporting you, that like we didn't just sweep you under the rug, sound off in chat and let us know.
Yeah, that's actually really good. Actually, I actually would like to see that as well. And don't be shy, guys. Don't be embarrassed. Like if you're struggling, let us know. Don't be embarrassed. Don't be embarrassed. Hey. Listen, everybody has their ups and their downs. We're part of the family. We're part of the group. Everybody has their ups and downs. All right. Some people, it takes a little bit longer for them to kind of catch their identity and to kind of catch, to have that light bulb moment. But the team and I, we're here for you guys. Everything that we can do to make sure that no trader is left behind.
Right. Mike, real quick.
Yeah.
I'm not going to tell the person's name because I don't want to ruin their, I don't want to put them in that position. But the person with the first screenshot that was up over 600% is on the phone, and I have him on speaker.
Okay.
And what did you? Can you tell us about the trade that you made? With that.
That was actually a trade that I made because my said that Moderna he put a put on Moderna, and he basically said that, and I played a couple of contracts. I think it was like 15 contracts on Moderna puts, and I leave it alone. I leave it alone because I trust, you guys. When you guys say something is 85-90% that is going to happen.
It's not that high, but I appreciate that high, but it's not that high.
It's pretty high. Trust me, I was down like $90,000 on my portfolio, and that week it was incredible. It was incredible. $85,000 almost I make in a week.
That's incredible.
It was crazy. Incredible. It was crazy.
So it's a scam.
and the other one was Tesla. He said Tesla, guys, Tesla is gonna go down. It's gonna go down. I'm gonna getting ready to put some puts on Tesla, and that's exactly what I did. 13 contracts. And wow.
Yes.
Boom.
Yes.
Boom.
There is
boom, baby. Yes.
There is the proof.
Oh,
I paused a couple of times. It doesn't matter. You guys can say my name. It doesn't mind to me. I don't know if you want me to say it.
It's up to you. If you want to say, how about you could say your username in chat. You don't,
I think it's actually my name, Anthony Vega.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
a lot of people congrats me, and even Mike said it. Anthony Vega, wow, you made it. You're the man.
Yes, dude. I didn't know it was. It's nice to talk to you, man. That's awesome.
I'm very happy that you guys got me on the live right now, and man, so glad.
And let me ask you a question. But this took a lot of work on your part. You didn't do this overnight. You've been with us for a minute. You've done you're going through the courses. You didn't just show up to True Trading Group and make $80,000 in a week. That's not it.
No, not at all. Actually, like I said before, I was down like $90,000, and I said, me and my wife say, Anthony, you need to stop. You need to stop. That's a lot of money. And I did. I stopped and I started studying. I went to take the courses and everything. And I say, you know what? Let me put like $15,000 more on my account and let's see what we can do. And things start happening. But without education,
kind of crazy,
no way
man,
that I could make it.
We had a woman on last night, one of our lifetime members as well, and when they came on, they joined in July as well. You've been a member since July of this year. Right around between that 4 to 6 month mark is when people really end up like turning a corner with us, you know? Like if they're coming from a spot of being down somewhere else or learning and whatever, 4 to 6 months is really that sweet spot with us. And that's another reason why we don't have you know, a monthly membership. It's just not enough time.
Let me explain to you guys. I was down when I joined the group. I was down like $70,000. Then I start taking the courses and those kind of stuff, and I was trying to make it by myself on my own, and I couldn't. So I lost like $20,000 more. But I was not taking the courses the way it is. And I stopped for 2 months or 3 months, something like that. And I take everything seriously. And I start taking my courses and listen to you guys every day. The live that you guys do on YouTube every day, and listen to you and learning. And boom, I'm getting back.
That's awesome. But I think it's important that people know that it's not overnight, that it's not, you know, look, we tell you all the stats, we show you the people that are doing well, we acknowledge those that are struggling. You guys need to understand, you're not going to join True Trading Group. It's not normal to join True Trading Group and then all of a sudden do a complete 180 overnight and make buttloads of cash.
Right.
That's not accurate. This is Kurt Yuri says, I hate to be negative, but this is too good to be true.
You need to go and take those courses, or you're not going to make it at all.
Yeah. Kurt says, I hate to be negative, but this is too good to be true. I mean, Kurt, it isn't. We've spent, you know, Mike and I have spent a lot of time and effort building this out since 2014. Yeah. This is not an overnight thing for us either. Now, is True Trading Group perfect? Is it without its issues? Is it perfect right out of the box? No. But we work tirelessly to help improve it. You know?
Listen, I get so mad when I hear that somebody's getting like mad that they losing people. It's not your fault. It's nobody else's fault that they losing money. If you losing money, it's because you're not getting, I mean, you're not doing the things right. You're not educating yourself. Stop trading. Stop trading if you don't know what you're doing. I say it all the time.
Yep.
Get yourselves on the course. I mean,
yeah, guys, there's a reason that we offer the simulator.
Correct.
You know, there's a reason that we offer it at no additional cost to you guys. We do that so that you guys don't have to lose money, okay, while you go ahead and learn.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, Anthony, thank you so much, brother. You have a great weekend, dude.
Yeah.
Thank you. You too. Tomorrow's my birthday.
Happy birthday, man.
Happy birthday, Anthony.
Don't. Yeah, no.
I have one, Anthony, I got one question. Can he hear me, Adam, or no?
Yeah, he can hear you.
Anthony, brother, I just have one question for you, and it's a question I think a lot of members would love to hear the answer to. It's actually a question from Swing King. Swing King says, hey, can you ask Anthony what his favorite course is? Is there any one course area that helped him the most?
Hello.
Oh. What course? Oh, sorry. I'll repeat it. What course helped you the most?
Listen, mental,
the psychology
how
course.
do you call it? Psychology. Exactly. That's one of my favorite course. Why? Because you put a limit on yourself, how much money you can lose, how much money you gotta have, like step by step where you want to be, how much money you can lose, how much money you can win. That's one. And the other one was ocean trading. That is basically two of my favorite things. That's where I put more emphasis.
Excellent, man.
Awesome.
All right, brother. Thank you so much, dude.
Congrats, Anthony.
Thank you, guys.
All right.
TTG for life.
Yes. Take care, buddy. Bye.
All right, you too.
That's awesome. That's awesome. That's incredible. Yeah, I knew. Anthony and I, we actually have messaged before. I knew that he's been killing it. That's why when you said Anthony Vega, I was like, oh shit, because him and I have been texting before, and he really has been killing. But I just think that, you guys just have to realize that, week after week after week, we have members that come on the live stream, and they all tell you the exact same thing, that you've got to spend some time and actually go through the courses to learn what the hell you're doing, right? Because even if you just follow moderators, you can still do things wrong. You can still put stop losses in the wrong place. You can set the wrong orders. You can get too much position size, not understanding the risk and the volatility on the trade, having your profit targets in the wrong area. You can still screw the execution part of the trade up, even if the moderator says, hey, I'm buying this stock now. Even if you just follow that, there's still parts of that trade that you can screw up. And the moderator might be holding that position and the stock's going down a little bit, but they're still holding, and you panic, you freak out, you exit. And then an hour later or a day later, the stock's 20% higher than it was. And even though the moderator made money, you lost money. You've got to make sure you go through the courses to understand what you're doing. It's a common reoccurring theme you hear over and over and over again whenever we have THD members that come on these live streams. And I do that. We have these members come on live streams to help you see and to realize, okay, what are they doing that has helped them be successful? All right. What are they doing that actually made them struggle, and how did they overcome it? And also to show you that it is in fact possible, that no matter what you are going through now, no matter what hurdles you think you have to overcome, every single one of you that's dealing with something that is holding you back, there is another TTG member that has been exactly where you are right now, but has overcome it and is now even better than where they were before that. And to show you that it's possible, that it's real, and to keep you motivated, to keep you dedicated. But the same recurring theme on every single one of our successful members is you guys got to be willing to put a little bit of time, energy, and effort to actually learn this skill. And if you are, the TTG team and I will be there with you every single step of the way. All right. We help people reach their goals of becoming consistently profitable by combining professional education, which is what I learned at the fund, and we combine that with premium tools and resources from companies like TradingView, Benzinga, Quote Media, Trade Ideas. Oh my goodness. Come on, man.
I just think it's cool. Like, you just talk to yourself the whole time.
Can I just... Yeah, it's my high school picture. Oh, man. Guys, listen up. Stick around for a couple minutes. We're going to get into my new swing trade. We're going to talk about Rivian. We're going to talk about the overall markets and everything in just a moment. But I need you guys to all pay attention real quick. I'll briefly talk to you about the membership. There's a couple of people that are asking about how to join. We'll talk about that, and then we're going to move on, and we'll go over kind of the recap of the week and swing trade that I have on right now. So listen up. The price of our membership has been moving up day by day until on February 1st, okay? Until on February 1st, our membership will be $2,500 for the year. Don't freak out. We're not there yet. You could have joined 3 weeks ago. All right, you could have joined 3 weeks ago for just $1,106. All right, our goal is to, like I said, level the playing field for the retail investor, and that means a continued effort to ensure that the THD platform remains within reach financially for most retail investors and traders from all walks of life. All right, because of this, we're slowly walking the price of our membership up. Okay, slowly. So it will be $2,500 on February 1st. There's not going to be a Thanksgiving sale, Christmas, New Year's. Tonight's price of $1,223 is the cheapest price that you're going to be able to get an access to a membership to True Trading Group. And that is by midnight. Okay, actually midnight Pacific on Sunday. Okay, midnight Pacific on Sunday. So you guys can.
Are you reading some of these comments, bro?
Yeah, I'm trying to ignore them. I'm trying to ignore them. All right. You guys can use coupon code TTG121 while everybody makes fun of my high school picture. TTG121 coupon code. That'll get you the 44% discount. It'll also get, what do we got, Adam? What are we doing with, I didn't actually check with you. What, we have anything with electronics for people? You never told me. You're too focused on my high school and baby pictures. Waiting on Adam, guys. Okay. All right. So here's the deal, guys. All right. So this is what we have until Sunday, from now until midnight Pacific on Sunday. Okay. We have 25 laptops available. So here's the deal. If you guys use the coupon code TTG121, you'll get a 44% discount. You're also going to get 2 small private mentor study groups with a pro trader from True Trading Group to ask questions and go over lessons and topics, make sure that you guys can help speed up that learning curve. But you're also going to have a chance to earn a brand new free laptop. This is for the next 25 people that join before Sunday at midnight. All right. And yes, I said earn a free laptop. At TTG, we get laptops from wholesalers that we build relationships with. We get great pricing on bulk orders. We get a certain amount of an allocation, and we ship those laptops worldwide to members. All right. The first 25 people to join will get a free laptop upon becoming TTG certified. Okay. This means you have completed all of our courses and you have passed all of our quizzes. Upon becoming TTG certified, we will immediately send you a brand new laptop for you guys to trade with. Becoming TTG certified is a badge of honor for our members. You get a certificate. You can hang it on your wall, put it on your desk, share it on social media. You also get a green check mark next to your username in chat that lets other members know that you've become TTG certified. Okay. It's a real badge of honor. All right. So TTG121 coupon code, and that will earn you the free laptop. Upon becoming TTG certified, you'll get the 44% discount and the 2 small private study groups. The process of becoming TTG certified takes on average 4 to 6 weeks. I've seen it done in a weekend. Okay. It is all up to you. The entire curriculum is available 24/7.
You don't make it sound really like intensive when you're like, I've seen it done in a weekend. I've never seen it done in a weekend.
I have. I've seen a member complete all the courses in a weekend. But I've also seen a member where it took them almost a year, and everything.
Yeah,
all depends on the speed at which they go.
You may want to check that member and see how quick they went. I don't know. I've never seen anyone actually go through it in a weekend. It's 17 courses. It's roughly, I don't know, man. It's got to be close to 30 hours worth of material.
It's actually a lot more than that.
Right. Yeah. So I don't see how somebody can do it in 48 hours. But continue.
Okay. So, all right. Where was I? Yes, become TTG certified. Okay. Now, anyone that thinks that we don't actually give away those free laptops, if you guys don't think that, let me actually just show you again. Again, it's always better when I ask members. Guys, if you're a member of TTG, do we give away free laptops? Yes or no? You guys just comment yes or no. If anyone's doubting that we give away laptops, just say yes or no. All right, so you guys can just read the comments that come through within the chat. All right, there you go. There's everybody that's commenting yes. Hundreds of yeses coming through chat right now. All right, you guys can see that for yourselves. Okay, so now that that's settled, remember, think of TTG as the Netflix of trading communities. You pay one price, you get access to the core of everything that we have for the entire year. All right, with your membership is going to come our entire 17-course curriculum. All right, our entire 17-course curriculum, where it is a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned when I worked at the fund in New York. Okay, there's beginner and advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto. It's all in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. There are no upsells for additional courses. You get access to every course when you become an annual member of True Trading Group with coupon code TTG121. You also get our trading performance journal that tracks all of your trading, gives you hard stats so we can see where you're making mistakes. Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, so you get news as soon as it crosses the wire. Everything I'm telling you, this is all included. You don't pay extra for any of this. Quote Media's full book level 2, so you see all the market makers in level 2. TradingView's premium level charting software. It's one of the most commonly used charting softwares. ETNA's trade simulator lets you trade stocks and options with fake money while you practice implementing what you're learning in the courses. The Trade Ideas scanner shows you stocks that make new highs, new lows, have a surge in volume, and it's broken up into small caps, mid caps, and large caps. So no matter what you trade, we make sure you're focused on the best stocks during the day. Of course, our chat room with all of our trade alerts from a group of professional traders sporting about an 84% win rate collectively. We're fully transparent. There's a trading journal on our site that tracks every buy and sell we make, so you can follow along and see how you'd be performing if you followed the trades. We do live workshops every single week covering different topics. Those 2 small private study groups are going to give you guys a chance to get the one-on-one attention, or the individualized attention from the pro traders at True Trading Group to ask questions, get help with what you guys are struggling with. And then we do a bunch of giveaways. We do huge giveaways. We give away 30K, 50K, Teslas, Porsches. You just have to be a member of True Trading Group. Again, 25 of those laptops.
Hang on. Sorry to cut you off again. This Sunday, we are giving away $50,000 or a brand new Porsche Macan to 1 lucky True Trading Group lifetime member. Then the following weekend, which is Sunday, November 21st, we are giving away $30,000 or a brand new Tesla Model 3 to 1 lucky annual True Trading Group member. So, yeah, November is going to be big.
And it's Thanksgiving.
Hey-o!
Hey-o!
And Mike, 1 more month to go, and I believe we are going to, I got to tally the numbers, but when did it start? November of 2019.
November of 2020.
Huh?
November of 2020, I think.
No, it was, I'll get the exact numbers, but Mike and I have a goal. Our goal is to give away $1 million worth of giveaways between cash, computers. This guy Kurt is like, come on, guys, this is bullshit.
Wait, did he say that again or no?
Yeah.
Oh.
Kurt, I swear to you, it's not, dude.
Yeah,
I swear to you, it's not.
Kurt, we're dead serious. Guys, my TTG members, Adam and I, is our goal. We've been doing it for over a year now. Our goal is to give away $1 million back to the TTG members in forms of cash giveaways, electronics, you name it. So Kurt doesn't believe that any of this is real. My TTG fam, you guys, Kurt, I feel you, bro. I feel you. Trust me. But I would just tell you to just pay attention to some of the comments that come through chat. My TTG fam, you guys could answer if this is real or
Here,
not.
I got proof. We could show to my guy real quick. Kurt, so this is actually the Florida Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services. We had to go ahead and file to do these giveaways, dude, with the state.
There's like real paperwork you got to do. You're going to do like these actual giveaways. This is our paperwork that you have to fill out, Kurt, with the state of Florida.
It's real.
Yeah, it sure is. It sure is. All right. You can just go back, Kurt. Actually, we do the giveaways on the live stream, so you'll see the winners on the giveaways. You just scroll back.
Call the state of Florida and call the consumer place that whatever to be like, yo, True Trading Group, they give away shit. All right.
Yeah, that's true. You can call them too. That is true. So yeah, guys, TTG121. You actually have to type in the coupon code and click apply code to get the discount. It's 44% off. 2 small private study groups with a pro trader, chance to earn the free laptop. Okay. And here's the best part. Kurt, I'm going to blow your mind right now. Kurt is literally going to sign off the live stream after I say this. Kurt, if you think that this is too good to be true, I'm going to actually do you one better, because the TradingView membership comes with a complete full money back guarantee, but it's actually better than even that. Here's the deal. I stand behind this program so much. I put my money where my mouth is. I am so confident in our ability to help you succeed. Over 80% of our members are successful. If that wasn't the case, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm going to tell you right now. Anyone that joins Street Trading Group, if you make a commitment to actually put in some effort, I'm going to guarantee your membership price. Here's the deal. If you go through all of our courses, pass the quizzes, and attend 1 private study group, if you do those 3 things and still do not make your membership fee back at least once, I will give you all of your money back plus an additional $200 on top of your membership fee for wasting your time. So you're going to pay $12.23 to join right now for a 1-year membership. If you go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend 1 study group, and don't make $12.23 back at least once, I'm going to give you $14.23 back, and you're going to keep that brand new free laptop for wasting your time. We're in this together. If you fail, I'm going to lose money, and I'm perfectly okay with that. I have no problem doing that, because since 2017, our refund rate is 1.57%. I have no problem offering you that refund, and I have no problem losing money on you if you fail. I have no problem doing that. Everything I'm telling you is on our website. Everything I'm telling you, it is on our website, so you guys can actually see everything that I'm saying to you now. It is all there on the website for you guys all to see. You just have to use coupon code TTG121. There's 25 of those laptops available until Sunday at midnight. You get the 44% discount in the 2 small private study groups. All right? Get it? Got it? Good. All right, guys. What I would like to do now is I would like to go over with you a new swing trade that I have entered. And it has everything to do with Mr. Elon Musk himself. Okay, so today I shorted Tesla, folks. All right, today I shorted Tesla as soon as we broke below your initial morning lows. Okay, once we broke below initial morning lows, right here is where I jumped in and I got short Tesla. Okay, now I am short Tesla because I believe, and let me explain my thesis to you guys right now. Let me explain my thesis and why I'm short Tesla. Because Elon Musk, okay, has been selling and putting pressure on the stock. Now, that's the reason why the stock has moved lower, okay? You also got some news about NVIDIA coming, they're going to be working with some other companies for autonomous driving. That also put a little bit of a hit on Tesla because it's seen as more competition. But it's true, Elon Musk has been selling. He's already sold about $6 billion worth of stock, at least that we have seen. 5.5 billion. He sold another like 600 million yesterday. I'm sure he was selling in there today. You'll probably see that filing of what he sold today. But if he is actually going to be selling 10%, he still has a ways to go, ladies and gentlemen. You're talking about $20 to $25 billion worth of stock. And if we've only seen about $6.5 billion of it so far, there's still a lot more pressure that's going to be on this stock. The reason why I'm short Tesla right now is because the EV sector specifically has been on fire. Rivian, Lucid, QS, okay, Blink Charging, ChargePoint, Fisker, like all of these other electric vehicle companies have been going bonkers. Tesla has not been participating in the rally. So here's my thought process. Elon Musk's selling pressure will satisfy the buying demand coming into Tesla while the EV sector is hot, which is right now. But this run in the EV names is not going to last forever. Rivian will cool off. Lucid will cool off. QS will cool off. Blink Charging will cool off. EVGO will cool off. All these electric vehicle names will cool off, and the buying across the sector will slow. If the buying that's coming into the entire sector right now, the amount that's being allocated towards Tesla is being satisfied without the share price moving higher, then what happens when the buying in this sector slows down? So I've been watching all of these other electric vehicle stocks move higher. Okay, I've been watching them all move higher. Okay, let's go and take a look at a few. Let's look at Rivian. All right, look at Rivian moving higher. Let's look at QS. Let's go over daily charts. You guys can see more clearly. Let's look at QS moving higher. Let's look at Lucid moving higher. Let's look at Blink Charging moving higher. ChargePoint moving higher. Okay, NIO is kind of lagging. Actually, NIO is one that's kind of lagging. Fisker moving higher. So you can see all these electric vehicle names are all moving higher, but not Tesla. And I think that this is because Elon Musk's selling pressure, the buying pressure that would be coming into Tesla is being satisfied. It's being satisfied by billions of dollars worth of stock coming into the market. So my worry is here with Tesla is that once the buying in the overall sector cools off, and once Rivian starts to go down, okay, once Lucid starts to go down, once QS starts to go down, once Fisker, once Blink Charging, once ChargePoint, once all these stocks start to pull back, what's that going to mean then for Tesla? So I am short Tesla from $1,041.41. I suggested to members that want to follow along with an option trade to go after the November 26th expiration, $1,000 strike put option. It was around $31 or $32 a share. I mean, a contract, I believe, at the time that I entered the trade, it was around $32. Those contracts went well up over $40 today. But this is a swing trade. I'll take you guys to the intraday chart, and I'll show you again where I entered the trade. There was the entry highlighted right there with that white square. And as we extended down through lows of the day, I took a piece of profit off the table. Okay, I took a piece of profit off the table right down here on this trade already. I'll give you guys the exact execution on the trade. Oh, where are we? Okay. Yep. We have 1020. Yep, there it is. 1025. Right there. Same time. 1156. Right there. There it is. Okay. I want to give you guys the exact spot of the execution on the trade as I'm drawing it so you guys can see. Okay. So there's a take profit on the Tesla trade. And now I'm still in this position. All right, I'm still in this position. You have a lot of support down there in front of 1,000. Okay, you have a lot of support down here in front of 1,000. Okay, so I'm not going to be all that surprised. I'm not going to be all that surprised if we bounce tomorrow on Monday, maybe bounce back to 1050 or so. But I'm telling you, if this support level down here breaks, and if Elon Musk continues to sell, and that buying pressure in front of 1,000 gets satisfied, and then you have a little bit of a pullback, now you're talking about the potential of Tesla going back to like 950. And I think it's possible. I think it's possible over the next week or so that you can see Tesla below $1,000. I am short it $1,041.41. I took a piece of profit off the table already at that $1,025.71, I believe was the fill. Okay, so already took a piece of the position off the table, still in it, looking for more. My next take profit is 1,000. All right, my next take profit is going to be 1,000. All right, between 1,000 and 1,010, and then the final take profit will be down around 950, and we'll see if we get there next week. All right, we'll see if we get there next week. Okay. So there you have it, folks. Again, if you're following me on the trade, I suggested the November 26th expiration $1,000 strike put option. All right, we'll have to see what happens next week. Resistance at 1100. You also have a little bit of, okay, a head and shoulders forming here. And if I go out to the hourly chart, you can see it much more clearly. Here's your left shoulder. Here's your head. And here's your right shoulder. And then here is your neckline. All right, there's your neckline. All right, so we also have a head and shoulders forming here. And if you break that neckline, that's when I think you drop down to 950. We'll see if we get there next week. Okay, so there's the trade. Again, I've already taken 25% of my position off the table for a nice profit. Reduces my risk on the rest of the trade. Now we'll see what happens next week. All right. So there we have it, folks. So that's the new swing trade. I hope you guys are amped up and ready for next week. We had a big time. Okay. We had a lot of members here. Donald, Nofal, Nikki, Jeff, Casey. 20 laptops left now. Only 20 laptops left. Donald, Nafal, Nikki, Jeff, Casey. 20 laptops left. All right, 20 laptops left, guys. You got to use coupon code TTG121 so you guys can get the 44% discount, the 2 small private study groups, okay, and the money back guarantee, the laptop. You guys got to just go to TTG121 and click apply code. All right. So again, that 1-year membership, it's normally $2,212, but from now till midnight Pacific on Sunday, you guys can actually save 44%, brings the price all the way down to just $1,223. You guys get everything that I was just telling you about. Now, let me show you the platform for those that are interested. Remember, I told you TTG is a platform. It's a lot more than just a chat room with trade alerts. Okay. We level the playing field for retail investors and traders. You get access to the top premium trading tools and products because we bundle them together as part of your membership to TTG. You're going to get our brand new trading performance journal. This will actually track your stock, option, crypto, and even futures trades, give you real hard statistics so we can figure out where you're making mistakes and we can fix them. Okay. Everything I'm about to show you is included when you pay $12.23. You don't pay $1 extra for any of this. Then you're going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed. This is a live breaking up to the second news alert service directly inside of chat that gives you news as soon as it crosses the wire without delay. Quote streams full book level 2. You see all the market makers inside of level 2. ETNA's trade simulator. This lets you trade stocks and options with fake money while you practice implementing what you've learned in the courses. This is the same simulator that is used at Cal State University Fullerton, University of Wisconsin Whitewater, Berkeley Haas, and Illinois Tech. You get access to all of this for your entire length of your membership. Then you have the Trade Ideas scanner. This is going to show you what stocks are making new highs, new lows, that have a surge in volume. It's broken up into small caps, mid caps, and large caps. So no matter what you trade, we can make sure you're always focused on the hottest stocks during the day. Then you have our own proprietary scanner, which has the same functionality as FinViz Elite, but it's on steroids. You can actually click on any ticker symbol on here and get unlimited downloadable PDF reports on all of the analyst ratings for that stock. You can literally see how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating on any stock before you make your investing and trading decisions. That's a game changer. You think it's time to buy NIO? Well, let's check and see how many analysts agree with you and have a buy rating on the stock. You also get our social sentiment tool. Our social sentiment scanner used to be something you only saw from hedge funds with complex algorithms. Not anymore. Now it's at the fingertips of our TTG members as we provide you with the education and the tools that professional traders use to level the playing field. The social sentiment scanner will scour Reddit, stock twits, and Twitter and tell you what stocks are being talked about the most. It'll also tell you the size of the float and what percentage of the float is short. Again, all of this is included with your membership. Then you get TradingView's Pro Plus charting software, one of the most commonly used charting softwares by traders. And then at least a minimum of 10 easy to follow, actionable real-time trade alerts per week from a community of traders that's currently sporting about an 84% win rate. We're fully transparent. You can Go to our website. There's a trading journal where the moderators upload their activity every day that tracks every buy and every sell that our moderators make. It's all right there for you guys to see. Those 2 small private study groups, all right, that's where you get individual attention to go over and ask questions and speed up that learning curve. And our curriculum, 17 courses, simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund. Beginner and foundation courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, all in text and video format, whichever is easier for you guys to learn. This is all of the courses. There are no VIP pro level courses that cost more money once you join. You get access to every course we have. Then, in addition to the courses, a video library with over 100 hours of additional educational video content. These are workshops and webinars that we have conducted covering a variety of different topics like how to trade while working a full-time job, how to grow a small account, beginner intro to options, how to resist FOMO, you name it, it's all there for you guys. Then, of course, access to our chat room where the moderators and I share our screen. We're live on the microphone. We're calling out trades in advance. We're there with you from pre-market till after hours the entire day. And you can even send us DMs and ask us questions. Take advantage of this coupon code, guys. The value you're getting at 1223 is insane. Even if you did not join True Trading Group, let's say you wanted to go to Benzinga and pay for that newsfeed on your own. Benzinga charges $1,404 a year for that newsfeed. Same exact product. You can get access to it as a member of TTG for just $12.23 and get access to everything else I just showed you. That's the value of our membership. Our goal is to disrupt this industry. To do that,
Mike, sorry. Jonathan R is trying to sign up right now.
Jonathan Ramirez probably.
Huh?
Jonathan Ramirez probably. He was the one that was asking the questions earlier.
Oh, make sure you use the coupon code TTG121. I saw a transaction come through that failed for the full amount. Don't do that. Use the code so that you save the money. Okay?
Yeah. Don't pay full price, Jonathan. I know you're here. I know you're on the live stream. So if you're on the live stream, you guys get that coupon code. Don't pay the full price. All right? So TTG121 and then click apply code. Okay? So there you have it. All right? Guys, don't forget, you have the money back guarantee too. Don't forget about that. You have the money back guarantee. Anyone that goes through all the courses, passes the quizzes, and attends one private study group, if you do not make your membership fee back at least once, I will give you your entire fee back plus an extra $200 on top for wasting your time. And I feel like that's fair. And I feel like that's how it should be. There's not a single other service out there that would offer you your money back plus additional money on top for wasting your time. And you want to know why? None of them are as confident in their ability to help you succeed as we are. None of them. And that's the truth. TTG121 coupon code, folks. That's all you guys have to use. And you get to keep the brand new free laptop also because you earned it. I stand behind this program. I put my money where my mouth is. All right? I put my money where my mouth is. And this is how I prove it to you. We're also 5-star rated on Trustpilot, folks. Check us out. Nearly 1,400 people have left us a review on Trustpilot. There's no better referral than one from your peers. Go read them. All right. Read the reviews, the good, the bad, the ugly. Nearly 1,400 people, 5-star rated. Check us out. All right. Now, last but not least, if you guys are not ready to join the team full time, we do have a 1-week trial. You can go to ttgthree.com to join us for 1 full week. It's only $3. We charge $3 to make sure you're a real person. Everyone's got $3. There's no reoccurring payment. There's no auto renew. You pay $3, and if you don't want to join and you don't want to manually become an annual member, it just expires and you're never charged again. Okay, but if you want to upgrade to an annual membership, you certainly can. Just hear me now. You won't get the 44% discount, and you won't get the free laptop. You'll probably get like a 35% discount if you guys want to upgrade to an annual membership. But you know, you want to try us out for a full week, you certainly can. ttgthree.com. Trade with us for a week. Check out the platform. See the tools and resources you'll get access to as a full-time member. And then see if the TT family is right for you guys. Otherwise, if you're ready to get the laptop, you're ready to get the 2 small private study groups. You want the 44% discount. You want the money back guarantee plus $200 on top. You use coupon code TTG121 right here, right now, and get your buzz and chat with us starting next week. All right. Thanks for joining me, guys. You're the best. I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications. Smash that like button if you guys haven't done so already. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you guys all this Sunday where we're going to be giving away $50,000 or a brand new Porsche live right here, 8:30 p.m. Eastern on this YouTube channel. I'll see you guys all later. Have a wonderful weekend. Later, everyone.